The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Morning. I am a taxi driver working on the Crepe Sando route, right? Now, I have a little concern and thing, and I think I need to go public about this, right? Now, I am the driver of age, this number here, AGM 9987. This is my vehicle here, a Hyundai age one, right? It so happened that I working on the Crepe Sando route here, and I have a taxi driver who apparently his family, his mother is a high-ranking officer as he claimed, and he feel well he could come and call police on the highway. This is his vehicle here. This is his number here, right? He claims that he could call police and stop me on the highway. I go in public about this, right? Because this man is not above the law. He's not above the law. Now I'm looking for the gentleman here. So when I take this public, people will know that I'm innocent. Any police stop me on the highway without a proper cause, we go have some problem. This is the gentleman here. Say his mother is a high-ranking officer, right? Calling police to stop me on the highway here. I'm going public because nobody is above the law. Mr. Gary Griffith, I want you to intervene and investigate these people and them who calling police and stopping me on the highway here. You understand? I have a vehicle number. Intervene. Look at me here. Calling police, and all his mother in charge of all the police in Trinidad and Tobago. You understand? Right. All the police in Trinidad and Tobago. That is the gentleman are going public about this because it's wrong. It's wrong. You understand? It's wrong to be doing them kind of thing. It's wrong. I'm going public about this. And Mr. Gary Griffith, I'm asking you to intervene. I'm asking you to intervene because nobody is above the law. Nobody is above the law. You can't tell me your mother is a high-ranking police officer and you can get police to come and interfere me for making an honest day work to mind my family. Who the hell is you? Who the hell is you? Mr. Ruff, your mother is a high-ranking police officer. And you can get police to stop me on the highway. You understand? You can get police to stop me. I'm putting this on Facebook. I'm putting it on WhatsApp for the whole world to see. And Mr. Gary Griffith to get involved and find out who is your family. Why did you threaten my life and telling me you get sale for my vehicle? You get sale for my vehicle. Nobody's above the law. And Mr. Gary Griffith will get in contact with me and find out what is really going on here. Right.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm going to tell you what I think about some of the things that this person said in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, you can let me know if I am wrong or if I am right according to some of the things that I'm about to say. You see what I'm saying to you? But according to some things that this person said in this video, I get the understanding that this person is saying that he is a taxi driver and he's talking about a person who is said to be a taxi driver. And the person who is talking about, he's saying that the person claimed that the person have a mother who is a high-ranking police officer within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because you know, according to some of the things that he had said and according to some things that have been said about the video on social media, I get the understanding that this video had been recorded within the country known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see me? Now, this person also said something that gave me the understanding that he's saying that the person who he's talking about is claiming that the person is going to call police to stop him while he's on the highway. You see me? However, viewers and subscribers, you see, I can't really say much or comment much about this video because, you know, I'm only hearing one side of this story right here. You see me? But you see, if the things that this person had said, if the things he said, if it is true, then he might have a point by making this whole issue go public or put it out there so that persons can know that those things have been said to him. You see me I say? Yes, somewhat of a protection. Yes, so may I say. But anyways, let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, alright? This video is out on social media where some persons call it taxi man versus taxi man, or taxi men argue, or taxi men feud. There's different comments that they made about this video, alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and this video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, I get the understanding that this video had been recorded within the Bahamas. Yes, what I said to you? Yeah, this video shows when police officers from within the Bahamas raided a nightclub. You see me? Now, some persons on social media said that this video shows when police officers shut down a nightclub. Some persons on social media says that this video shows when law enforcers shut down a nightclub or raided a nightclub. You know, different ways. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident happened or when this video had been recorded. That's what I'm saying to you. But you know, according to some of the information that I saw about this video on social media, I get the understanding that this had happened within the month of November, the year 2020. You see me? But anyways, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. You see me? I say. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Every night they turn it around. Yeah, every night the same thing over and over. Every night. No, we don't play. We work it out. We don't play that. This is
Can I get a pass to get it then? Everybody's so long. Who's on it?
What happened?
The what?
Come here. You record it.
Then get it over.
Wow. Open that tail
Everybody who works here, you know, produce your life, see it? Everybody who works here, produce your life. Where you going, sir? So why you still sitting here? Is you going to
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, some comments have been made about this video on social media. Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this is one of the reasons why the COVID-19 can't stop spread. You understand? Some persons are saying that people tired for their them yard. Some persons are saying that people just want to party and the virus is not going anywhere. And other things have been said, isn't it? I also get the understanding that it is said that persons had been ticketed due to what had happened at that event. You understand me? You see me? And I also get the understanding that it is said that the nightclub was being operated illegally because of certain things that's going on with the whole COVID-19 pandemic. You understand me? I'm only telling you according to what I've been said on social media. It's not like I live at the Bahamas or so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. I also saw something about some person who is said to be a prison guard. Something about a prison guard and all these things. Yeah. Alright, anyways, viewers and subscribers, the main thing though is that, I present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, you see me? You can also tell me what you think about the other video that I just presented to you, where a person who said that he's a taxi driver talked about another person who he said that is a taxi driver and so on. And, somewhat of a issue or somewhat of a dispute is going on between those two persons. You understand me? Alright, so let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.